Welcome to PageProof's Fresh New Features, where we highlight just some of the new features over the last month. We're hugely excited to announce a new workflow feature, setting whether all decisions or just one is needed in a workflow step for the proof to move on. When you have multiple mandatory reviewers or gatekeepers in a step, or a combination of both, click the button to change between all decisions are required or just one. If you love to use collections of proofs, you can now organise collections into folders. By brand, client, project, it's up to you. Click the cog icon on a collection and select Folder to either create a new folder or add to an existing folder. For those working on tight deadlines, Bulk Nudge is a handy new option available on your dashboard, and also for a collection. This will send a nudge reminder to all reviewers who haven't finished their review. You can now set your preference when uploading new versions to use the file name or use the proof name from the previous version. In the Proof Setup screen, click the three dots and your preference will be remembered from here on. For video reviewers, the new General Comment tool is now available. This new option lets you add a comment without any markup. Perfect for making a general statement about the proof, like "This looks amazing." We've always supported the review of Figma links, and now private links are supported too. Click the file dropper icon and select website URL. Then paste in the private Figma link. It's that easy. When you're reviewing web proofs and have changed the responsiveness to a small screen size, such as an iPhone for example, a zoom is now available. This will increase the proof to the available viewport on the proofing screen. For our Monday.com macOS users, you can create a proof using the Monday.com app and also copy the proof link found in an item, making it easier to create and access your proofs. When in PageProof, the reference field has been enhanced, allowing a search for an item within a board or by the item ID. To stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our channel below or follow us on LinkedIn via the link in this video description. If you have anything to ask us or any feedback you'd like to share, just send us a message via our in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, making feedback welcome.